Hi and welcome to the second module of Destiny Magnets. This module looks at the 3 steps, the CAN, in the can-do process. So just to recap where we left off from the last module, we use the acronym CAN-DO, the C-A-N-D-O, to help us remember these ingredients. So the C stands for clear and concise, or clear and to the point. A stands for at the moment achieved, and it also stands for appreciation and being grateful for all that you receive. N means now and in present tense. D is for doable, and O stands for okay for you, for other people, and the planet. So let's have a closer look at the first ingredient of can-do, C, which is clear and concise, or clear and to the point. So whenever you're setting a goal, make sure it's clear and to the point. The clearer the goal and the more specific it is, the better it's going to be, as this shows that you know exactly what it is that you want to achieve. For example, if you want to save for an initial deposit to invest in a managed fund under your Money Magnet account, then write the exact amount that you need for this deposit, say $1,000, and also write down the date that you want this by. Let's look at another example. Let's say that you want to go on a holiday. Write down where you want to go, how long for, and when. So this might be that you want to go for an overseas holiday to Bali on the 1st of October 2010. Can you see how this is more specific than just going on a holiday? So when you're setting your goal, we suggest that you also write it down and keep it to a maximum of 1 to 2 sentences long. Now let's look at the A in can-do, which stands for at the moment achieved. This is where you imagine watching a movie of yourself that shows the exact moment that you know you've achieved your goal. This is so you can see yourself doing it and feel yourself achieving what you want in order to make it seem real for yourself. So to do this, write a sentence to describe that moment. So going back to our holiday example, let's say that the moment I know I've achieved this goal is when I go to the travel agent's office and I've collected my plane ticket for Bali. I've got a grin from ear to ear and I say to myself, I can already taste that cool drink at Kuta Beach. So as you see and you feel this moment, you are also believing that the goal is going to occur. So you're putting it out there for the universe to magnetically attract you to it. And many people refer to this as the law of attraction. And from my experience, this really works. A also stands for appreciation. So being grateful for all that you receive. Now, Bob Proctor, Catherine Ponder, and many other great minds attest to the fact that being grateful helps magnify your results. And I believe that being grateful for what you have in your life now actually attracts more of the same to you. And words that I like to use to start my goal sentences that I find really work are, I'm so happy and grateful now that I. So adding these words into the goal, it would read, I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm at the travel agent's office collecting my plane ticket. I've got a grin from ear to ear and say to myself, I can already taste that cool drink at Kuta Beach. So the next ingredient is N, which means that we write the goal as if it's happening now and we write it in present tense. So this is also about making your goal very real and clear. It's important that you pick a specific time when the goal will occur, as if it's happening now, but it has a future date on it. So for our example, it would be, it is now the 1st of October 2010. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm at the travel agent's office collecting my plane ticket. I have got a grin from ear to ear, and I say to myself, I can already taste that cool drink at Kuta Beach. Okay, so now open up your workbooks to exercise 2 and complete the exercise before moving on to the next module.